Hello, my dear children. Good morning. Wishing you a beautiful day today. Welcome to today's class. In this video, we are going to learn the continuation of the lesson, that is basic geometrical ideas. Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn the concept, that is curves. So, curves mainly two types. One is open curve, another one is closed curve. In that first one, open curve, figure with straight line or curved line which do not end at the starting point is called an open curve. Okay, here in the figure it may be a straight line or it may be a curved line, but which do not end at the starting point. Okay, so that type of curves are called open curves. So open curves are also called as open figures. Okay. Second one, closed curve, figure with a straight line or a curved line which ends at the starting point is called closed curve or closed figure. Next one is position in a figure. Okay. So see here children, here one figure is there. So consider a figure, and in that figure some points are there, A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, so these points are in different parts, okay, or different position. So in that, first one is interior. So interior of the figure. So interior means inside the figure. So here point A and point B, these 2 points are interior. So interior points, that is A and B. Okay. So again 2 points are outside the boundary of the figure, that is boundary points are C and D. So next 2 points are outside the figure, that means exterior points, that is E and F. Okay, so here 3 names are very important: interior, boundary and exterior. So interior means inside the figure, boundary means boundary line, and exterior means it is outside the figure. Next one is polygons. A polygon is a closed plane figure made up of 3 or more line segments. Okay. So a polygon is a closed plane figure. So it means closed figure made up of 3 or more line segments. So polygons are named according to the number of sides they have. Okay. In that, the simplest polygon is, that is triangle, because it has only 3 sides. So triangle is the simplest polygons. Okay. So always polygons are named according to the number of sides. So here name of the polygon and number of sides. Okay. So in that, so if the number of sides are 3, the name of the polygon is triangle. So that means it has 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. Okay. So suppose 4, number of sides are 4, then it is quadrilateral. Number of sides are 5, so it is pentagon. 6 hexagon, 7 heptagon, 8 octagon, 9 nonagon, and last one is 10, that is decagon. Okay. So always polygons are named according to the number of sides. Okay. So depend upon the number of sides, they give the names. Okay. So triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon and decagon. So next concept is regular polygon. So what do you mean by regular polygon? If all the sides and angles of a polygon are equal, then the polygon is called regular polygon. Okay, suppose consider one pentagon. Okay, in a pentagon all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal, so then it is called regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular decagon. Okay, that means in a regular polygon means if all the sides are and angles of a polygon are equal. Okay, then only it is called regular polygon. Okay. So next, shall we learn about angles? So an angle is formed by two rays starting from a common point. So in the last year classes also we learned about angles. Okay. So an angle is formed by two rays. So see here, this one is angle AOB. Okay, it is formed by two rays, that is OA is a ray and OB is another ray. Okay, starting from a common point, that is O. Okay, this one is the symbol for angle. So how to read this one? Angle AOB. Okay, here some types of angles are there. Okay, in that first one, acute angle, second one right angle, third one obtuse angle, fourth one straight angle, fifth one reflex angle, and sixth one is complete angle. So what do you mean by acute angle? So acute angle means an angle which measures less than 90 degree, then it is called acute angle. So acute angle means an angle which measures less than 90 degree. That means suppose angle 60 degree, 70 degree, 30 degree. These angles are called acute angles. Next, right angle. So an angle which measures exactly 90 degree is called right angle. Okay. So next one is obtuse angle. So an angle which measures more than 90 and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Suppose 120 degree, 110 degree, 150 degree. So these angles are obtuse angles. And fourth one is straight angle. So an angle which measures exactly 180 degree, it is called straight angle. Then fifth one is reflex angle. An angle which measures more than 180 and less than 360 is called reflex angle. And the last one is, that is complete angle. So what do you mean by complete angle? An angle which measures exactly 360 degree is called complete angle. So next one is triangles. So what do you mean by triangles? A triangle is a three-sided polygon. Okay, a triangle is a three-sided polygon. So it is the simplest polygon. Okay, so now let us learn about triangle. In a triangle ABC, so this one is the triangle symbol. In a triangle ABC, so number of sides and number of vertices and number of angles. Okay, so triangle ABC, it has three sides. Okay, so how many sides? That is three sides. So AB, then BC, and next CA. Totally three sides are there, that is AB, BC and CA, and three vertices are there. So point A, point B and point C. So these points are called vertices of the triangle. So next one is angles. So it has three angles. So here red mark is there, no? So that is angles. So three angles are there. That is angle A, angle B and angle C. So in a triangle, totally three sides, three vertices and three angles. So next one is quadrilaterals. So quadrilaterals means a four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. Okay. So just see the figure. By observing the figure, okay, in a quadrilateral ABCD, okay, ABCD, number of sides are, that is 4. So totally 4 sides are there. So that is AB, BC, CD and DA. So AB, BC, CD and DA. Totally 4 sides. Same vertices. Point A, point B, point C and point D. So totally 4 vertices are there. A, B, C and D. Next, angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Totally 4 angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. So here the one important thing is, that is opposite angles. So see here, angle A is opposite to angle C. So angle A and angle C are called opposite angles. So angle A and angle C are called opposite angles, and angle B is opposite to angle D. So angle B and D are called opposite angles. So next, opposite sides. So see here, AB is opposite to CD. So AB and CD are opposite sides. Next, this BC and AD are opposite sides. So BC and AD are called opposite sides. Next one is adjacent angles. So see here, from the figure, angle A, angle B, these two angles are adjacent angles. Angle A and angle B are adjacent. Next, angle B and angle C are adjacent angles. Next, angle C and angle D are adjacent angles. So the last one is angle D and angle A are adjacent angles. Okay. So same thing, adjacent sides. So AB is adjacent to BC. So adjacent side means it has a one common point. Okay. So AB and BC, BC and CD, CD and DA, DA and AB. Totally 4 adjacent angles, 4 adjacent sides are there. But 2 opposite angles and 2 opposite sides are there. So this is very important. Next one is circle. A circle is a closed plane figure such that all its points are equidistant from a fixed point. So it is a closed plane figure such that all its points, means perimeter of the circle, all are equidistant from a fixed point, that is center point. Okay. Now let us learn about parts of a circle. Okay. From the figure, so this one is a circle. So from the figure, so we can learn parts of a circle. So in that parts of a circle, the first one is center point. So what do you mean by center point? The fixed point, already it is in the definition. The fixed point is called center point of the circle. So from the figure, O is called center point. So O is called center point. And second one is radius. So what do you mean by radius? Radius, the line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. The line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is called radius. So from the figure, OA is called radius of the circle. Okay. So it is always half of the diameter. So that's why to find radius, R equals to D by 2. So this one is the formula to find out radius. Okay. Next one is third one, diameter. So what do you mean by diameter? The line segment. So here BC is a line. The line segment which passes through the center of the circle and whose endpoints lie on the circle is known as diameter of the circle. Okay, the line segment which passes through the center of the circle. So that one is very important here. The line segment which passes through the center of the circle. So diameter must passes through the center of the circle. So from the figure, BC is called diameter of the circle. So from the figure, BC is called diameter of the circle. So to find diameter, 2 times R, because it is always 2 times of the radius. Okay. So this one is very important. Next one is chord. Okay. So from the figure, DE is a chord. A line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called chord. Okay. So from the figure, DE is called chord of a circle. But the one thing is, the biggest chord in a circle is, that is always a diameter. So that is also very important. Next one is fifth one, that is segment of a circle. So what do you mean by segment of a circle? So from the figure, the shaded portion, okay, or the region, see here marked lines are there, no, that one. So the region enclosed by an arc and a chord of a circle is called a segment of the circle. The region enclosed by an arc and a chord is called segment of the circle. So from the figure, D, X, E, D are called segment of the circle. Okay, DX, ED is called segment of the circle. So next, sixth one is arc of a circle. So from the figure, DXE is called arc of a circle. So part of a circle between 2 points are called always arc of a circle. So from the figure, DXE is called arc of a circle, and arc is denoted by the symbol that is like this. Okay. So next one is seventh one, sector. So what do you mean by sector? The region enclosed by an arc, so AC arc, and a pair of radii of a circle is called sector of the circle. Okay. The region enclosed by an arc. So here from the figure, AC is an arc and radii OA and OC are two radius. Okay. So the region enclosed by an arc and a pair of radii of a circle is called sector of a circle. So from the figure, AOCA is called sector of the circle.